Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever dreamed of starting your own business in the kids' education niche but didn't know where to begin, this video is for you. Today, I'm going to share something truly exciting called the Brainy Kids Mega Adventure Pack, a complete, ready-to-sell collection that's turning heads in the world of children's learning and creativity. Now, we all know that parents, teachers, and even online creators are constantly searching for new, engaging materials to help kids learn while having fun. The problem is, creating these kinds of resources from scratch takes a lot of time, design skills, and effort. That's exactly what makes the Brainy Kids Mega Adventure Pack so powerful. It gives you instant access to 50 beautifully designed, fully editable children's activity ebooks, everything from puzzles and logic challenges to creative adventures, educational lessons, holiday specials, and themed storybooks. Each ebook comes in Word and PDF format, so you can easily rebrand, edit, or bundle them however you like. The best part? You get full, unrestricted private label rights. That means you can sell them as your own products, offer them as bonuses, or even use them to grow your email list or membership site and keep 100% of the profits. This isn't just a set of ebooks. It's a complete business system in a booming evergreen niche. Demand for fun, educational materials has never been higher, and this pack gives you a chance to step right in without the hard work of creating everything yourself. So if you're ready to build your own kids' content brand, expand your business, or simply add a new income stream, the Brainy Kids Mega Adventure Pack might be the smartest step you take this year. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you found this helpful. Catch you in the next one.